Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 1955 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. And as you can see, number 1 out of 5 from Hotwheels Gassers, and number 110 out of 250, and surprisingly, track stars for a gasser. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. Now, we had many gassers back in the past, and basically this is one of it that yeah, many people love it, especially people in the United States. Obviously, people in the United States basically love cars like this, basically like as I would call it, like, of course it's a gasser, of course, and yeah, many people love it, not just other people, like many people, especially Hot Wheels lovers, they love these type of cars because Hot Wheels just nails it when they do these type of like gassers, like for example the Chevy Nova gasser that we had, and then the Ram Superchargers gasser that we also got. I'm not sure about the, what's it called, I don't know, there's one type of gasser that I don't really remember, but still, this is one of it where many people have obviously requested Mattel, and yeah, obviously many people love it and they just basically want more and more of it. So yeah, there's like a whole community that basically collect only these type of models, which are pretty cool, and they have such a big collection of these. Like, this car has been into like the convention models, the 5-packs, the 3-packs, what else? Car culture, especially, like we had the drag strip demons. It was pretty awesome, and yeah, basically this casting is such a hit, and many people, especially people who love gassers, like to collect these type of cars, which is, well, giving Mattel more money and basically producing more of these so that, well, basically everyone can have it. And yeah, it's such a cool car nonetheless. So like this one basically is a recolor of it. We had it in matte green, if I'm not mistaken. Now, this type of livery itself is quite popular in some people. Of course, they said it was quite popular. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, it says 35 Terror. I'm not sure if I'm saying it correctly. Is it 35 or Tri-5? I'm not entirely sure, but still, we'll go with Tri-5 Terror, as you can see. So it's in this metallic yellow, as you can see right here, with yeah, a lot of details. I'm just gonna show it to you right now because there's so many things on the side right here. So we'll start off from the side here. As you can see, it says Hot Wheels and what's that, Firestone at the back near the fender area right there, and then it says Chevrolet behind the door. B/V, I don't remember what's that called again. You have a long stripe moving towards the door, and then it says Tri-5 Terror right there, sorry. And then what's this, Vetusky Fabrication. Oh yeah, if I'm not mistaken, this car is basically made by if I'm not mistaken, it's made by Brendan Vetusky, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it should be. It's a well-known casting made by Brendan Vetusky. And what's this? Hold on, let me... Oh yeah, it says 427 right there, as you can see right here. Of course, you have some exhaust coming out from the front tire, which is quite cool. You have these circled out headlights, which are not colored, so yeah, they're not actually detailed, but still it's fine, I guess. And then you have the front grille right here in silver, chrome silver. And then obviously you have the exposed hood right here where you have the engine popping out right there, as you can see. Yeah, chrome silver as well. Not sure if you have any other color for this type of engine, from other releases of this car. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, you even have a chrome silver interior. So the front engine, the front grille, and the interior is fully silver, which is quite cool. Nice detail. And then you have the red windshield. Surprisingly, I was not expecting that, but still quite cool as well. For the hood, for the roof, you have some detail actually. You have this like pattern right here, which is kind of cool, like a triangle pattern. And then you have this black stripe right here on the roof right there, which is quite cool as well. Moving to the back actually. And there you go. This is the other side, obviously. Same thing as the other one. But yeah, very cool. And then moving on to the back, you have no rear lights nor license plate, which is a shame, but still pretty cool. Like I said just now, it has this black stripe at the back, even with the pattern again. And then you have this big rear bumper in silver, similar to the front engine and the front grille, which is kind of cool. Moving on to the base, and then let's see, 2012 Mattel, made in Malaysia. Yeah, it has that track symbol. I'm not sure how you're gonna drive this on the track. Now, I don't particularly use my cars on track normally. I would use fantasy cars if I want to, but when it comes to like the licensed models, such as, I don't know, like any type of model that's basically licensed, obviously, I don't intend to use it like on track. I mean, I did a few times ago, like very long time ago, but I'm not really used to it. So yeah, I better keep my collection like not away from the track, basically. Like for the normal type of cars, it's better for it to like better not be on track, obviously. I don't really suggest that. I just don't want to get scratches on my car, basically, like any dents or anything. No thank you. But yeah, overall, this type of gasser seems pretty cool. I know it's gonna be a hit once it arrives in stores, obviously, because one, it's a gasser. Everybody loves gassers. And number two, I do not know whether scalpers will get this, obviously. And overall, such a nice car. I love gassers, to be honest, but I'm not a huge fan. I'm not a huge fan of gassers, obviously, but I do kind of like them. They're seemingly pretty cool as well. But overall, this is such a nice car to have, obviously. As a gasser fan, of course, it's a must-go. You need to get this, obviously, on day one if it releases. But still, it may be hard to get, and yet again, it's an awesome car to have, and it's gonna be a collector's item, obviously. But once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.